Forest Guardians. Once upon a time, in a vast and lush green forest, there lived 4 close friends. One of them was a mighty elephant. Known for his incredible strength, he roamed the forest with his giant steps. Another was a brave lion. His mighty roar brought confidence to all the animals. The third was a cheerful monkey, who jumped and swung from tree to tree, spreading laughter wherever he went. And the last was a wise owl, who thought deeply and made clever decisions day and night. One day, a great danger appeared in this beautiful forest. Humans arrived with large machines and began cutting down the trees. The sound echoed throughout the forest. Vroom, vroom! The animals ran in fear, not knowing what to do. But the 4 friends gathered together. "We must save our forest," they declared in unison. The elephant acted first. Using his massive body, he pushed against the giant trees, trying to block the machines. But whenever he moved, everything around him shook. The lion ran swiftly to frighten the humans, roaring loudly, but soon realized he couldn't do it alone. The monkey climbed to the treetops, keeping watch over the entire forest, but didn't know what action to take. Meanwhile, the wise owl calmly observed them all. Flapping his wings gently, he flew down to his friends. "My dear friends," he said in a thoughtful voice, "we are all strong, but if we combine our strengths and work together, we'll be unstoppable. Let's create a plan." The owl pulled out an old map of the forest and began explaining. "Elephant, use your strength to block the machines. Lion, patrol the forest and scare off the humans. Monkey, watch everything from above and keep us informed. And I'll guide you all, ensuring everything goes smoothly." The plan was set into motion. The elephant stood firm in front of the machines, blocking their path. The lion prowled the forest, ensuring no humans could sneak in. The monkey leapt from tree to tree, keeping a close eye on everything. And the owl flew overhead, giving wise instructions and coordinating their efforts. Together, they worked in perfect harmony. The humans were amazed by the animals' teamwork and intelligence. Realizing the animals would do anything to protect their home, they turned off their machines and left the forest for good. Peace returned to the forest, and the 4 friends celebrated their success. They realized that their friendship and unity were their greatest strengths. "As long as we're together, there's nothing we can't do," they said with joy. From that day on, the elephant, lion, monkey, and owl became the forest's guardians. Thanks to their courage and teamwork, their beloved forest was never in danger again. And so, the story of friendship and bravery ended, but it lived on in the hearts of all the animals in the forest forever.